Several Gulf nations are on high alert after Iran launched multiple waves of drone and missile strikes across the region in response to continued attacks by the United States and Israel. Late on Thursday, Kuwait, Bahrain, and the United Arab Emirates came under Iranian attacks. Kuwait's Army General Staff said on social media that its air defense systems were intercepting incoming projectiles in the country's airspace. Earlier, Qatar's Ministry of Defense reported that the country had been targeted by several attacks, including 14 ballistic missiles and 4 drones launched from Iran. Iran initially targeted US military assets in the Gulf, but later expanded its strikes to civilian infrastructure after the United States and Israel began military operations against Iran on Saturday. Iranian state media reported that the attacks have killed at least 1,230 people so far. The Iranian strikes, increasingly aimed at energy facilities, have also resulted in the deaths of 6 US service members, 11 people in Israel and 3 in the UAE. Oil and gas prices have surged as ships remain stranded near the Strait of Hormuz due to attacks on vessels passing through the strategic waterway, which handles nearly 20% of global crude shipments. Media reports said that air defense missiles were lighting up the night sky in Abu Dhabi. It added that 131 drones and at least 6 ballistic missiles had been launched toward the UAE earlier in the day, placing heavy pressure on the country's air defense systems. In Bahrain, an Iranian missile struck the main oil refinery, triggering a fire that authorities said was quickly contained. Officials confirmed no injuries at the Bapco Energy's facility on Sitra Island, while damage assessments were ongoing. Gulf leaders condemned the strikes as violations of international law and reaffirmed their right to self-defense. Meanwhile, the United States has suspended services at several diplomatic missions in the region, including its embassy in Kuwait City.